Many men say laws are in favor of women and men have no rights. But before getting angry at women-centric laws, we must first understand for which type of society laws were made. Law has a social purpose to balance real inequality in society. And if we look at Indian society honestly, not just through Delhi, Mumbai, Instagram debates, or a few viral cases, women still face disadvantage at almost every stage of life. The most normal sentence in our society is लड़की को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. Nobody says with the same seriousness लड़के को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. This is social exploitation and this is the real issue. Law gives women rights on paper, but society often denies them the courage, support and permission to use those rights. Law may say she can claim property, but family says भाई से हिस्सा मांगोगी. Law may say she can seek divorce, but society says औरत का घर ससुराल होता है. Law may say she can complain against violence, but everyone says थोड़ा adjust कर लो. And if she actually goes to court, people say घर की बात बाहर क्यों ले गई? So before saying women already have so many rights, ask yourself, are women actually allowed to use those rights freely? And yes, false case happen, misuse of law is real, it must be punished. But the problem begins when we take few examples and use them to deny the larger reality of women's exploitation. One false case goes viral and everyone gets angry. But the daily exploitation of women does not shock us anymore because we have seen it since childhood. Society has seen women adjusting for so long that it has started treating women's suffering as normal. And many false cases that become viral are visible. Urban example, they cannot represent the conditions of women across India. That is why women-centric laws are not extra privilege. They are not made to punish men. They are protective laws made to reduce a real social imbalance. यहाँ पे ये बोलना नॉर्मल है कि विमेन को हर बात पे एडजस्ट करना ज़रूरी है. वहाँ पे विमेन सेंट्रिक लॉज एक प्रिविलेज नहीं है, एक नेसेसिटी है. थैंक यू.